Well, Karen, we've since learned from CPD 29-year-old Bernard Kirsch has had many run-ins with police dating back to at least 4 years ago. But in court today with Reverend Jesse Jackson in his corner, his family and attorney say what happened to him was not right. This video of 29-year-old Bernard Kirsch being body slammed by a Chicago police officer is now part of a use of force investigation. Today in bond court, Kirsch's mother says she still struggles with these images.
He could have killed him. That was a really hard throw to the head. I thank God that my son is still here.
The police had no basis for throwing him down in a way that could have killed him.
Police say Kirsch was charged with aggravated battery of a police officer and misdemeanor charges for assault, resisting arrest, and drinking alcohol in public near 79th and Cottage Grove Thursday.
Victim number one and witness number one exited their vehicle and approached the defendant, who continued to curse at the officers and act belligerently. The defendant became combative as soon as officers started talking to him.
That's when police say Kirsch became verbally abusive, threatening them and then spat in an officer's face. After he resisted arrest, police say that's when the officer performed what they called an emergency takedown. But Kirsch's attorney says there was more to the story.
This is an individual that suffers from schizophrenia. He's suffered from it for the last 6 years. He needs some serious help. And the fact that this officer reacted the way that he did is just completely out of control.
The prosecution also presented more information about Kirsch concerning his criminal history, stating Kirsch has 15 failures to appear over the course of his background. Most recently, prosecutors say he was charged with a felony resisting a police officer in October 2018. And according to data from CPD, he was charged with aggravated battery to a police officer back in June 2018. Prior to that, data shows Kirsch was charged multiple times for retail theft and criminal trespassing dating back to 2015. His family and attorney insist what Kirsch needs is help. The judge today advised him to take advantage of mental health services and also imposed a 24-hour curfew until this case goes to trial. His bond was set at $5,000.